In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Minecraft for free. So over the years, many methods has been available, some legitimate and others not. However, this method I'll demonstrate that is working as of 2024. As we enter the new year, many of you might want to dive back into Minecraft, start new worlds and explore new adventures. So if you recently gotten a new console or PC and don't have Minecraft, this guide will help you get it for free so you can play with your friends and solo. Without further ado, let's jump straight into it. First, head to the first link in the description, which will take you to the official Minecraft website, minecraft.net. Ensure that you are on minecraft.net and not minecraft.com, as the former is the only official site. Using the link in the description guarantees you land on the correct page. Okay, so once you're here, you'll see a big green Get Minecraft button. Click it and you will taken to a page that usually asks for payment. Follow along and I'll show you how to bypass this. You'll see options priced at $40 and 30. Most people select the 30 version, but for the best value choose the 40 version. Once selected, a green square will appear around it and a checkout button will appear. We don't want to pay, so here is what you do. Scroll to the bottom of the page under the support section and you will find a download link. As you can see, this is here. Right click on it and select open in a new tab, or hold down if you are in mobile to open a new tab. Okay, so in the new tab you will see options to download Minecraft Java and Bedrock Edition for various platforms, including mobile devices. Click the appropriate link for your device. If you are on a different platform, go back to the first link, scroll up and select already a member. Log in here. It will appear just in this option here, right here. Okay. So you have to create a Microsoft account if you don't have any. Sign in to the new account, then go back to the previous tab and select the version you want to download here. Click in the download launcher button. You can select Android if you are on Android, iOS if you are on iOS. Excellent. Okay, so you have to download the file twice. As you can see, I will download it one time and then I'm going to download it again. So why are we doing this? I will show you right away. Okay, now that you have this window with your two Minecraft installers, you have to go to view and select extensions of file name. So you will be able to see the extension of a file. So the first thing you have to do is to rename one of them, and then you have to go to change name and you have to delete the .exe that you have here and let this like this. Excellent. So now you have to run the X file, one of the others that you didn't change the extension, and then you have to install the Minecraft, okay? So once here you have to log in into Minecraft, and once you do that you have to delete this other file that we changed the extension, and now you will be able to enjoy Minecraft without paying. So if this video was useful for you, please comment, share, like, subscribe, and see you in another Easy Way video. Goodbye.